Hey guys, Jacobowitz here from Brunch Boys. Normally do a whole long giant spiel, but this video is going to be a totally different video than normal. I haven't really been taking the subway a lot in New York City for COVID reasons, but it's something I sort of miss desperately. There's just there's something about riding the subway in New York City that is just so special. As loud as it could be, as noisy as it could be, as cramped as it could be, as whatever it can be, it's sort of something loud or noisy or same things. It's something I certainly miss about sort of pre-COVID life. So today I have to take the subway. I've done it a few times, but haven't done a lot. And I just sort of want to take you on that journey. It's just going to be natural sounds, no commentary, just the New York City subway. So I hope you guys enjoy.